Hello. Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, we will learn about lists. As you know, this is a re-recording of my Python videos because old ones were having audio issues. They were very low audio. So what I need you to do is you go to docs.python.org/3, come to library reference, and then go here sequence types. In sequence types, there are certain common operations defined. So we'll do this first, okay? We'll go through this and we'll see what we can do with this. Let me increase the font a bit. So first thing is, what is a list? List in Python is somewhat similar to arrays. The difference is that it is of variable length type. That is, you can increase and decrease, you can add items or remove items. It is mutable, that is, you can change it, and it is heterogeneous. That is, it can contain items of multiple types. So the simplest way of creating a list is you say L is equal to brackets, or simply say list. Okay? And then you can print this list. All right? Let's see how an empty list looks like. Python list. .py, and it says class list. Okay? So it's a class. You want an object, you use brackets. There we go. We have an empty list. So empty list is not very useful. So I have to add some numbers to this. We put 1 to 3, and our list says 1 to 3. So let's go through documentation, see what we can do. So you can check for membership. Okay, X and S, where X is the number you are checking and S is the list or sequence. So we can say 1 in L. This will turn out to be true. There we go. And if you do 4 in L, that would become false because 4 is not there. Similarly, negative testing you can do with X not in S. So 4 not in S will be true. S plus T, so you can concatenate. Let's say we make another list. M is equal to 4, 5, 6. Let's remove this print. And we say print L plus M. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can concatenate them. Okay. Let's see more operations. S star N or N star S, equivalent to adding S to itself N times. So suppose I say, let's look at this. We multiplied with 3, okay? So L plus M will be repeated 3 times. So there will be now 18 elements. So that's what we do. Then we have item SI. So at index I, what is the item? Now the index starts from 0. So this index would be 0, this would be 1, and this would be 2. There are negative indexes also. So this would be -3, -2, and -1. Okay. So negative indexes move from the end and they start with -1 and they go like -1, -2, -3. Positive indexes start from 0 from the left end, that is from the beginning, and they start from 0, 1, 2, and like that. Okay. That out of the way, we can try something. Now, suppose you try L4, you want to access or even third, okay? This will refer to the 4th element in the list at index 3 because it starts from 0. So what will happen? Python will raise an index error for this. Okay, index error. List index is out of range, so we can't do that. 0, 1, 2, it will accept. Okay, like you can do slicing in strings. You have start, stop, and step. So you can say 0, -1. It should give us the full list. Oh, right side is excluded, okay? So now suppose we say 0 colon, this should give us full list. And we say step 2, then it will give only the 1 and 3. It will skip 2 because now step is 2. Okay. Similarly, you can do colon -1, 1, 2. Okay. So that's how we use slicing and lists as well. Like strings, you can slice lists. Then this is the slicing index. I did slice from I to j to the step k. Then there is length of s. So very common use is len of L. It will be 3. Then we have min and max functions. So if all the elements support comparison, it will support min max. The min is 1. For example, since it consists heterogeneous atoms, it can have hello as well. And then it will give you error. It can't support the comparison between a string and int. So as long as all the items are comparable, you can calculate min and max. Okay. Max will give you 3. Now, let's see what else is there. We got this. Okay. Then there are more operations. You can assign a value to this. Okay. So we can say, suppose we want to add an element, we can say L3 is equal to 4. And then if you print, the list should be extended. Oh, sorry, 3 is out of range, right? My bad. I forgot that it is out of range. So 1 to 4. Then you have del si. You can delete an element. Del si. This will delete 3. Then you can delete slice as well. Like this. I is start, j is stop, and k is the step. Then you can concatenate, okay? S plus is equal to t, which is equal to s then s colon then s is equal to t. In this multiplication we have already seen. Then there are methods: clear, copy, extend, insert. So we'll see insertion, okay? Let's say, for example, insert. You can go through this documentation yourself. First, let's go in sequence. So first is append. So it will add a value at end. Okay. L dot append. We append, say we don't want to delete this. So now the length will be extended, unlike L3 error. So suppose we do this. Okay. And then we say print L. The length will be now 4. And the list will be 1, 2, 3, 4. The length, oh sorry, I have not printed length. Oh, it returns none, right? So this we have to take outside, and it is in place return, so in place append, so it will return none. So there you go. Then we have clear, so we can say L dot clear, and the list will become empty. This is also in place, length will become 0. Then we have copy. The shallow copies are not very useful. Extend is there. Okay. So extend can do that like this. L dot extend. So what it takes is an iterable, right? So we can give it M. And then if we print L, it should have all the elements. Then we have pop. And first we have insert. So we can say that in L at position, say 0, I want to insert 0. So now the list will become 0, 1, 2, 3. And if we insert at position 1, 0, the list will be 1, 0, 2, 3. And so on. Pop will remove one element from the end. From the at index is there. So by default, the index is -1. That is, it will remove from the end. So this will also return the element. So what we can say that L.pop, it will return 3. And if you give it index 0, it will give you 1. So pop takes an argument. By default, it is the last element. So insert is kind of reverse of pop. Then we have remove. So it removes the first item from the list of value. So 1, if you give, it will remove the first one. Okay, sorry, again it returns none. So we'll have to bring it out of print. You see this, now the list will be 2, 3. Okay, I have to print it, right? There you go. If there are 2 ones, the first one will be removed, not all will be removed. Okay. Now let's see what else is there. Reverse. Reverse is also in place reversal. So it won't return anything. So you have to reverse it like this and then print L. Note that it returns none. So you can't do L is equal to this won't work. It will return none. L will become none. You don't do that. And similarly, you don't call it like this. Okay? It won't work. It returns none. Then what else we have? List has what else? Sort is there. So you can sort. And it takes 2 things. Key, it also takes a key. It also takes reverse. Reverse is equal to false is generally true. And does it return? You see, I think it will be in place. General. Let's see. I'll sort. Okay. And reverse is equal to true. But in general, it will sort in ascending order. If it returns none, it will give us none. Okay, so that also is in place. So what we will have to do is we will have to get it out of here and print here, and this will become 3 to 1. Okay, we have 4 elements, right? So 3 to 1, 1. Okay, what else is there? Reverse. Okay, that's it. Okay. So how do you iterate a list? So the general way to iterate is for I and L. That is for item in list. That is a general way of iterating print I. It will print 1, 2, 3, 1. Need to remove the sorting. It will print 1, 2, 3, 1 all on separate line. So in logic, you can do whatever do anything with this item. Okay? Do something with item I or rather element I of list L. Similarly, you can do like you may want to get range, you can do 0, length I. Okay, that is one way of doing it. So L and L. So it will take from 0 to L minus 1. So now we have the index. Okay, so that way you can now invoke Li like this. If you want index-based iteration, you can do this. So sometimes you may want to do something with index, then you iterate like this. What else is there? Iteration I have specified. There are lambdas which can help you do things. Then there is list comprehension and list generators. So those topics are discussed further. So I think we have covered everything with lists, but certain things, let me look at the list. What does it support? list. A lot of operators are overloaded, so you can add list to something. Contains is what in operator does. Tell item is delete. Equality will be comparing to lists. Greater than equal to allow you to compare with greater than equal to sign. Get item will gets you index based items. Greater than allows you to overload. Greater than operator. Item add, I don't know what is the full form of this. Allows you to add items with plus is equal to operator. IMUL allows you multiply is equal to operator and so on. So you can go through this and set item and all everything. Count is one thing. Okay. Count is one thing. So count should return something, right? L.count. So it should return 4. The count takes exactly one argument. I think. Let's see what it takes. I don't remember everything. Count I generally don't use. So let's see what count does. Count, oh, it takes a value and checks its count, okay? So what we do is L.count, how many ones are there? So it should return 2. And how many 2s are there? It should return 1, okay? So that is one thing, count. Okay, common methods should be given here. Sequence methods and all that. So I think this is quite a good start for lists, and if you need more details, those will be covered later in the standard library discussion. And also many videos are there, so you can get used to know to many other syntax. And if you need more, you can go through the documentation. For example, let me show you. You can go to language reference and you go through the operator section, binary bitwise operation, shift and everything. You go through these operations, assignment, conditional operation, lambdas, and then you will see that what all you can do with lists. So with this, I will end this video here, and I hope that you have found this video useful and informative. So I thank you for watching the video. I'll see you in the next video with the dictionaries, and I will explore dictionaries just like you explored lists. So thanks a lot for watching the video. I'll see you in the next one. Enjoy.